Today, we will learn to trade rallying markets with full top-down analysis. However, I will also teach you an alternative and relaxed way of trading for all the beginner traders. If you are ready, let's do this. Let's have a look at a great setup someone posted on Twitter for me. This is an extremely classic trading setup and pattern that I teach. It's not complicated, but it has certain steps to look for. Now, I am looking at my Ethereum chart with the 5 minutes time frame. 5 and 15-minute charts are great for seeing overall price action for most day traders. First of all, in this chart we have the clearest targets above previous week high and the previous day high. And right under them, the equal highs is an additional target. So, we have a bias, a direction, actually a reason for the price to go up at the moment. Now, notice the strong breakout here. Why is this breakout very interesting? We will talk about it, do not worry. Before the break, notice this prior liquidity sweep with an imbalance combo tap. So what is this? A masterclass super box with a protected low, showing us buyers are powerful here. Now, why was that break important? Let's see. Notice the significant and the magnificent support and resistance flip area. It's just amazing. How many times has price rejected this line here? At least 4 or 5 times. I love this kind of price movements. Finally, how about the higher time frame momentums? Carefully look at the 30-minute, 2-hour, and the 3-hour charts. Notice how the price dips into imbalances before the rally to hit the previous day and week high points. So what you see here is one of my most classic patterns to trade, with a combination of multiple price action and smart money concepts, multiple confluences in a single setup. Now the question remains, how do we trade this? First of all, we have these two inner imbalances, if you can see. Great locations for seeking a trade. And notice the inner liquidity here, just amazing. So we have inner imbalance plus inner liquidity, a great fuel to hunt our targets above. If you set a trade here, covering both inner imbalances and placing the stop loss at the protected low from our super box, no one can tell you anything. This is an extremely legitimate setup that you can use. We expect our price to fill up in this area before reaching our targets above. But what if you want to wait and take like a sniper trade? Wait for what actually? Of course, more confidence and confirmations. Notice this inner market structure break. A weak break, still a break. If you open the lower time frames, you will see a better MSB actually and imbalance areas. So this could be another great setup, more compact with an inner target of reaching the equal highs. So at the moment, you just learned 2 ways of trading the same pattern. Great. But what if you cannot wait and you have zero patience at all? If that is the case, you go to our masterclass yo-yo cost averaging methods. Place limit orders into specific price action or smart money levels. For example, placing my first yo-yo into this first imbalance and right under the liquidity area, and placing the second order into this imbalance, another key level for us. Then go get a coffee and let the trade play for you. No need to wait for the perfect entry anymore. Amazing. Let's make a quick summary so you can get an understanding of the price action in a much better way. 1. We already know that we have a clear target above the previous days and weeks high points. 2. We also notice these equal highs as an additional target above. So we have a clear long bias or at least a direction for us. 3. We notice an early inner liquidity sweep with an imbalance tap. We know that price filled up here and created a masterclass superbox. 4. Now we seek another set of fuel for the final hunt, noticing this inner liquidity with inner imbalance tap area. And voila, we have an A+++ pattern here with 3 ways to trade it. Yes, you just learned 3 ways to trade a single pattern and a single chart setup. Okay people, this is it for today. Please take care and see you in the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.